how's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to share with you some side income I made for the month of September. I have been busy this month, but I still managed to squeeze out a few dollars in side income. So, the total for this month is $533.39. Yay! But I only have $212 in cash. Everything else is still in the account. So yeah. So let me just preface by saying I realized after watching HD's video and Mommy Trader videos, I should include the dividends that I received from my investments. But I have my investments set where I reinvest them monthly. Thanks to Mommy Trader, and I haven't figured out how to figure out how much I actually earned off each stock. So Mommy Trader or HD or Tasha from Mind Your Money, somebody help your girl out so I can figure that out. I went back to my statements and I didn't see anything. So just to be honest, I really didn't try a lot. I just kind of glanced at them right before the video. So next video I should be including my dividends. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on that. So that'll be included in my October side income. All this time I hadn't been including my dividends. So the $533.39 consists of Google AdSense, my YouTube channel, the ads that are played on my video that you beautiful people are watching to support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I also have Amazon affiliate marketing, where I received a commission for you guys going down in my description box to click the links to order things like this box or whatever you order from Amazon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I use an app called Point Out. It's sort of like Fetch, and I got some money on there. And then of course I have Fetch. If you're not familiar with Fetch is an app that allows you to scan receipts so you can redeem those to accumulate points, so you can redeem them later for gift cards. My code would be on the screen here. You will receive 2,000 points and I'll receive 2,000 points just to get started once you scan your first receipt. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I also use an app called Upside. That's where I get cash back when I go to the gas station, restaurants, and groceries. My husband and I both have one of those, so we got money on 2 accounts. And I also use my credit card to get cash back. And I have 2 different credit cards that I use. I have one that I use to book my hotel rooms because I am a traveling respiratory therapist, so I get points off that. And I have another one that I use, you know, like when I want to purchase something and maybe get some cash back. So I have a total of 172 that I got in cashback rewards. So all of that comes to $533.39. I put on the screen what I got from each. Oh, and also I made a diaper cake for my sister-in-law, and I just asked her for $30 to help cover the supplies. And you know, Mrs Vee, I did some couponing, so I was able to keep some of that money, which was like $12. So we're gonna include that in the side income too. So I put a picture of what she sent me, and then I put a picture of what I did. So yeah, that's it. So $212 in cash. That is from the diaper cake and the Google AdSense and the Amazon affiliate marketing. All the ones on the apps and everything stays on there until I get ready to use it. But every month I do tell you how much I have accumulated, and that way you can see that these are some ways to save money, because you know we're all on a journey. Everybody have financial goals, so every little bit helps. So we're gonna go ahead and disperse this $212, and this is my side income binder, V Creations. That's gonna be my business name one day if I ever decide to do it. But I'm not big into entrepreneurship at this point in my life. My main focus is paying off my mortgage and getting some health things done in my life. So yeah, so marketing will get $100. I do sell cash envelopes and resin keychains and the glittered pens for the creator. that Budgeting Just Because created. I got to get better on marketing. I don't do so much marketing because to be honest, I don't have time, but I'm gonna have to, you know, make some time. So I'm gonna have $100 in marketing whenever I decide to do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these $12 in supplies just in case I need anything. And then this $100 is gonna go to miscellaneous, which goes back into my buffer for some educational things that I have been doing for the future. Nothing in taxes, because we'll do that later. So yeah, so I have allocated these $212 to go in those different categories. So this side income binder is the first to be depleted if I have an emergency. But in the event that I don't have an emergency, I will actually use this money for these particular things. So yeah. So this binder helps keep me motivated. Because I'm so busy, I do these videos to keep myself motivated to at least try to be creative in ways to produce side income. I just want to get in the habit of producing side income, because I don't want my, even though I'm not big into entrepreneurship, I don't want my job to be my only stream of income. So that's mainly why I do these videos. And thank you guys for coming by and cheering me on. Yeah. So that's it. So I had Google AdSense, Amazon affiliate marketing, coin out, fetch, upside for me and my husband, and cashback rewards from my credit cards. So I had 7 forms of side income. Yay! Where I really have 8. I just don't know what my dividends are. So we have 8 forms of side income, which is great. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.